If you're looking for dog collars embroidered personalized, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars Embroidered Personalized. Number 1, Most Popular, by GoTags. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by GoTags. Number 3, by Paws. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by GoTags. Number 5, by Moonsea. Find these dog collars embroidered personalized at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Go Cute Puppy. Number 7, by Moonsea. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by GoTags. Number 9, by Custom Catch. Discover more dog collars embroidered personalized ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Guardian.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.